Hi, today we're going to work through some examples where you're asked to find the equation of a straight line if you've been given the slope of the line path that the line passes through. So for the first example, let's see how we would find the equation of a straight line that passes through the point 2, 3 and has a slope of 4. The rule you're going to use is this rule here, which is in the textbook. The rule is that the equation is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, and in this equation the variables m are the slope of the line and x1, y1 is the point that the line passes through. So let's just plug these values up here that we've been given into this rule to see what we get. Okay, in this particular case, x1, y1 is the point 2, 3. So x1 is 2 and y1 is 3. And the slope that we've been given is that the slope is 4. So we just plug these numbers into the rule and crank the handle to get the answer. Okay, here we go. Y minus y1 is 3, equals m, which is 4, x minus x1, and x in this case is 2. Now what we need to do is to do some algebraic manipulation. We expand this bracket here out. So we have y minus 3 equals 4x minus 8. And rearranging this equation, we can say that taking these things here to the other side, 0 equals 4x minus 8 minus y plus 3. Rearranging this, we have 0 equals 4x minus y minus 8 plus 3 is negative 5. So the equation of the straight line is 4x take y take 5 equals 0. Now that's the equation of the straight line in one way we can write it. The alternative way to write it is to write it in the form of y equals mx plus c, and in this case we'll get taking the y to this side, we'll have 4x take 5 equals y, or rearranging that y equals 4x minus 5. So this is the alternative arrangement. We can write the equation of the straight line in this form as well. These two forms are equivalent. They're just saying the same things in different ways. This tells you that the line has a slope of 4. We knew that because we were given that. And this tells us where it cuts the y-axis. It cuts the y-axis at negative 5. Now, this is a lot simpler. If you know the slope at one point, it's a lot simpler to work out the equation of the straight line than if you just know 2 points and no slope. But basically, the ideas behind it are all the same. Now we'll go on to the second example. Example 2 is the same as the example that is given in MathQuest. The difference between this one is that the numbers that they're going to use are going to make the algebra a little more difficult. Now remember that the rule we're going to use is that the equation is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1, and in this rule y1, so x1, y1 is the point that the line passes through and m is the slope. So we plug these numbers that we've been given into this equation and we get that y minus y1 is 11, is equal to the slope 3/4 times x minus x1, x1 is 7. Expanding this out, we have y minus 11 equals 3x on 4, take 21 on 4, so 3 times 3 on 4, 3/4 of x is 3x on 4, and 3/4 of negative 7 is negative 21 on 4. Rearranging this, I think what I'll do is I'll write this as y minus 11 equals 3x minus 21 on 4, and cross multiplying this 4 over to here, we'll rearrange that as 4y take 44 equals 3x take 21. And just tidying this up, we'll take all of these numbers and variables over to the right hand side, so we'll get 3x minus 21 take 4y plus 44. So 0 will be 3x 21 from 44 is 23. So it'll be plus 23 take 4y. And rearranging that, you can get that 3x take 4y plus 23 equals 0. So that's the equation in the straight line in one form. And rearranging this so that we have it in the form y equals mx plus c, we have that 3x plus 23 equals 4y, or 4y equals 3x plus 23. Divide both sides by 4, we will get y equals 3 on 4 x plus 23 on 4. So this is now in the alternative form, remembering these are the same lines, equations for straight lines. That's in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. This is in the form of y equals mx plus c. This is the line that we've found. It has a slope of 3/4 and it passes through the y-axis at the point 23 divided by 4, which is 5 3.